Today we're going to unbox the Lumary Smart Ceiling Fan Light. From the top, this is what we see. We got a user manual. We have some hardware for mounting the blades and doing the electrical. We have some sort of weights in case it's wobbly. All good things. This looks like the light part of the exciting thing. And on the next level, we have the fan mount, the fan remote control, which is easy to do. We have a extender pole, depending on what length you'd like. There's a short and a long one. We're gonna go with the short one. And another cover. What we're gonna do first is take it all out, put it on the table. Then we're gonna build it. I'll go through it. We got the light. We got the housing that goes at the top of here. We have a long and a short here. These are covers that will cover stuff, one on two of those. This is what it hangs from. This goes right into that. This is the fan. You can see where the blades connect into that housing. That'll be interesting. The hardware, extra hardware for some other stuff. Hardware for your remote control holder. This is the receiver for the remote control. The instructions and the blades. Check out the next video to see how to put this thing together. So I got the light set up. Now we can turn on the light. That's the middle light. We can turn the middle light off. We can turn the ring light on. We can change the ring light's colors. It's pretty cool. Kind of like a little UFO. You can have the light on too at the same time. You can turn the fan on. We can select a solid color. It goes really fast, very quiet. So far, I like it.